Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the watch and phone so actions work without a button. Charge to above 50%, then open the companion app and confirm Bluetooth pairing and the latest firmware. Once paired, enable touch gestures and wake on wrist or raise to wake in settings. This replaces the hardware button for basic wake and sleep. Make sure to set screen timeout short for battery saving, and lock orientation, if available so accidental taps don't trigger unintended actions. Now you configure alternative controls so every primary function stays accessible. In accessibility, map long press and double tap gestures to power, home, or app shortcuts. That gives button-like control. Once done, enable the voice assistant, set a wake phrase, and grant mic permissions so you can launch features hands-free. Finally, assign wrist gestures and quick action tiles to things you use most. This reduces reliance on a single physical control and speeds daily use without a button. You finish by testing every configured input: long press, double tap, wrist raises, and voice commands. Run through common tasks to verify consistency. If the watch becomes unresponsive, first try a remote reboot from the companion app or perform the timed reboot gesture you configured. Make sure to sync backups before any reset. If problems persist, perform a factory reset from the companion app. Then reapply settings. This typically resolves software glitches when a physical button is unavailable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.